Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install a radio on a Mark 5 or Mark 6 Jetta. Alright, so this is the radio I'm going to be switching out. Here is the replacement. This is the Android radio that I got from Cycane.com. So we're going to do a quick little unboxing of it real quick. It comes with a user manual. Also comes with a 1-year warranty. Get into the good stuff. Comes with all the harnesses you're going to need. And then for the actual radio itself. That's what she looks like. So we'll go ahead and get her opened up. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to take this little HVAC radio bezel off. So what you're going to do is come underneath, and you'll find this little lip right here, and then you'll pull it, the clips will come out, and then just walk it all the way up. Just be careful. Don't pull on it right away because the airbag light's connected, so you'll have to disconnect that. Alright, so now it's all off. And now we have this. So in order to remove this radio, you're going to need some Torx. Alright, so it's a T20. Go ahead and pull these out. So now we got those out. Go ahead, get all the screws. Alright, so now we should be able to gently pull it out. So a nice spot down here you can grip. So you grab it like that and you're going to pull it out. I'm going to put the gear 6 just so it's out of the way. Now we can get behind here. So now we're going to disconnect all these connections. Alright, so for this first big clip, that goes right there. It's going to have this little guy on it. And you're just going to want to push it back, and then that will release that clip. And then this bottom one, you're going to see this clip right here. Okay, so with this one, you pull the clip back and it comes out. Same with this one, just like that, and then she'll come right off. Alright, so now the radio is disconnected. So now we're going to open up this guy. This radio is way lighter than that one. So it looks like all the buttons match up. It doesn't hurt to just give it a little test fit first. See if everything does line up. And look, she fits right in. Alright, so now it's time to find the harnesses that connect to these, and then they'll connect to this. So that's what we'll start doing. The first thing, one of the bags comes with 2 harnesses. You either have one like this, or the one like we just pulled out. And so that's why you just put in the right one, connect it up. This is the CAN bus decoder for the Volkswagen. You just clip it into the harness there. And then over here, you have the GPS antenna, so you just want to make sure you tighten it down because it's kind of loose. And then you just try to find these parts of the harness that actually plug into each other. So that one fit there, you know, these two fit in here. And then we have this GPS antenna right here. that needs to be threaded on right there. And then we're almost done ready to put her in. So this radio comes with some pretty cool features. So there's another GPS antenna there, another one there. They're all labeled very well. It's like this is if you have a mobile hotspot and you want to put it in here, so that way the radio will always be connected to the internet. So you can use all the apps like the navigation and stuff like that. That way you don't have to connect to it on your phone. But the other way is, like I said, you can just connect to it on your phone, which is also very easy. And then you got the USB adapter right here that clips right in. If you want subs, you got your left and right aux right there. This is a video in. And then you got all these extra ones for other video outs and stuff like that. And you got your subwoofer, your remote. Alright, so once you're installing this radio, so we have this part connected here for the antenna. Got the GPS, Wi-Fi. So you're going to see this on the harness, and it says, when install to have no CAN. So if you don't have this, you'll plug that in. But what this does is allows you, unlike this radio right here, when you go to turn the key off and you're still in the car but you want to listen to your music, the radio will stay on. Once you pull the key out, the radio will power itself down. Then when you put the key back in, it'll power back on. Unlike that one where you turn the key off, it just instantly shut off. So, like I said, if you have one of these, make sure you leave those disconnected. And like I said, we just plug these in. And then you can route, like this is an external, for an external microphone. If you look at the stereo deck though, there's a mic right there in the top left corner. So that's if you want to have one routed. So to be completely honest with you, that's just one thing, one extra thing I don't really need. So I'm going to pull that out. Then you have all these other attachments if you need them. But as for me right now, I'm pretty much set. So we're gonna go ahead and get it set back in the car. So I'm not using that, so putting all that extra stuff there. So we're gonna lift the radio up. Tuck. Oh, and also, this is one thing I didn't have any connection for. So what we're gonna do is just tuck that back over here. Actually, so this USB adapter, I'm probably just going to run it. So it comes out right here, and then if need be I can tuck it up and you can't see it, but at least it'll be there.
Ties we got to clean that up a little bit.
And there she sits, so we're going to go thread all the screws back in. that in, so then we're going to put this baby back in. Alright, so she's all installed. Turn the car on. Radio turns on. Then the key's off. Pull the key. You'll see it will shut down. Turns on really fast. Alright.
It's Rick and Carly in the morning, and we have got a flyaway for you.
We want to send you to see Taylor Swift in Seattle.
So it has some touch buttons. You can look. So these aren't going to work when the car's off, but the key on. So you can see that works. So we'll turn that off for now. So that's just the main radio. We know the radio works. So we'll just hit the home button. It's either there or up at the top left. And you can see all the other selections it has. So it just depends on which one you want to choose. So what we're gonna go in to do is we're gonna go to settings. Scroll up, see everything it has, so we're going to do Bluetooth. Alright, so what we're going to do is, since I'm using my phone, I'm going to have to connect to it real quick, so bear with me. Alright, so for the radio here, it's a good old user manual. It's good to go through it. But for the Bluetooth radio, it's pretty simple, honestly. So you'll be here, hit that button, hit that, pulls it up right away. That's exactly what's on your phone.